In recent financial updates, the Sensex and Nifty 50 reached new highs with strong performance in banking, construction and metal stocks, fueled by optimism over potential US rate cuts. Bajaj Housing Finance makes a spectacular debut and SEBI addresses employee concerns. Plus, mutual funds and FIIs increase investments in Adani stocks and Indian equities. Gold prices hit a record high amid expectations of US rate cuts. Let's take a deeper look into the top developments today. Sensex and Nifty 50 gained slightly due to strong buying in banking, construction, power and metal stocks. Optimism about a potential rate cut after the US Federal Reserve's FOMC meeting contributed to the market's momentum. At the close, Sensex was up 98 points at 82,988 and Nifty 50 rose 27 points to 25,383.8. The Sensex hit new record highs while Nifty 50 was just 5 points shy of its record closing high. On September 16, Bajaj Housing Finance shares made a strong debut, listing at Rs 150 on both NSE and BSE, 114% above the IPO issue price of Rs 70. The stock's initial gain of Rs 80 per share slightly surpassed the grey market premium of Rs 75. Capital market regulator SEBI said on September 16 that all concerns of its employees that have been recently shared shall be addressed amicably through internal channels, and the statement issued earlier this month after employee complaints stand withdrawn. The Adani Group is seeing rising interest from mutual funds, with net buying reaching over Rs 4,200 crore in August. This is up from Rs 2,000 crore in July and significantly higher than Rs 990 crore and Rs 880 crore in June and May respectively. Mutual funds were net buyer in 8 Adani Group companies, with only ACC experiencing slight selling. September may become the best month of the year for net buying by foreign institutional investors or FIIs, with $3.3 billion in net purchases so far, a sharp rise from last month's $873 million. Of this, $2.71 billion were invested in secondary market and $614.23 million in IPOs. Despite 10 IPOs worth Rs 11,248 crore this month, FIIs preferred secondary markets. In 2024, FIIs have invested $8.48 billion in Indian equities, with $1.29 billion in secondary markets and $7.2 billion in IPOs. JSW MG Motor India, a joint venture between China's SAIC Motors and JSW Group, plans to launch its first luxury car by March 2025. The company is also introducing MG Select, a new sales outlet for its premium models, including EVs and hybrids. Over the next 2 years, JSW MG aims to offer 4 premium products and will open MG Select outlets in 12 major cities by early next year. Gold prices charged to a record high on Monday as a weaker dollar and the prospects of aggressive US monetary policy easing boosted non-yielding bullion's appeal. The dollar index eased 0.4%, making gold more attractive to other currency holders. This week's key event is the Federal Reserve interest rate decision due on Wednesday. Trader expectations are for 59% chance of a cut of 50 basis points. The first US rate cut is getting closer and will be followed by more, supporting gold, said UBS analyst. European stocks were mixed on Monday as investors awaited interest rate decisions from the US Federal Reserve and Bank of England. The Stoxx 600 fell 0.07%, with oil and gas stocks down and retail up. Last week, the index rose 1.09%. Investors expect a US rate cut and are watching for the Fed's next step.